Hi everyone and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle. You saw me in part 1 where I did the cacao Rhassoul clay mask and part 2 where I did the apple cider vinegar rinse. Now this is part 3 where I use both plant-based products on my hair and you get to see the effects of it. Now leave your comments down below. Let me see how it goes for you. Alright? Alright, so you want to make sure your hair is actually wet before you throw in the apple cider vinegar rinse. And you want to make sure that your hair doesn't have too much product in there. If your hair is heavy with product, you want to just use a clarifying shampoo first prior to using the apple cider vinegar rinse. But if you don't have that much product in there, you just want to make sure your hair is saturated with the water. And then we're going to just grab the apple cider vinegar rinse, which is right here. And then we're just going to pour it into our hair, into our scalp, and then we're just going to massage it in from root to tip. So you really smell the lemongrass in there. And the other properties that's really good for the scalp. So you just want to massage your scalp like so. At the same time, you just want to pull your hair taut so it doesn't get detangled. And that's what I do also when I shampoo my hair. Just getting all sections of the hair. And you can use as much as you like. And after that, you just want to massage it in. And then you just want to leave it in for like 5 minutes. I leave mine in for 5 minutes. And then I go ahead and rinse it off. So that's what I do. But you can leave it in for 7 minutes. Depends on how your hair feels. You want your hair to feel very clean and soft. So now after 5 minutes, I'm just rinsing it off. My hair is super soft, as you can see. So after the apple cider vinegar rinse, we're going to move forward with the conditioner. It's going to be the slip detangling conditioner that I used in the beginning of the video. It's going to be in the link above. So next up, I'm going to use the cacao Rhassoul clay mask that I did in part 1. So we're going to move forward and put that in our hair in each section. And I made it into a consistency where there is no drip. You can make it into a liquid or you can make it into a thicker paste. So this is like a medium paste texture where it doesn't drip. So let's go, guys. So you want to put your hair in sections, right? So you just want to put it in the tips, the strands of your hair, like so. Look at that. Lovely. And usually I leave this cacao Rhassoul clay mask for like 7 minutes. You can leave it for 7 minutes or less. So this mask is going to leave a shiny luster in your hair, leaving it nice and bouncy and defined. And moisturizing as well. So this hair tie that I'm using is by Sincere Gaston and it's called Wash and Go hair tie. And this is going to prevent the drippage from going on my face. As you can see, you see how defined my hair is. This is like another set of conditioner, I feel like. You know, the first set of conditioner I detangled my hair, and this is just going to let it set in place. Now look at that definition. Wow. Looks like I dyed my hair brown, right? Cacao! So as you know with kinking hair, you want to get every strand, okay? Because there can be some empty spots, empty sections. So every strand of their hair. This is good for people who actually like put a lot of gel in their hair as well because it's so moisturizing. It can be a bit messy, but doing this once a month is, your hair will be happy. It won't be upset at you. You see how defined and curly my hair is, and oh my gosh, it feels beautiful. I'm just gonna finish everything up. I'm gonna finish it up. And you see how it elongates my hair. Look at that weight. I love it. I'm doing the smoothing method. So if you get into each of my hair strands, you want to make sure as you rinse this out, the only time you don't, I feel like the only way you could tell this is all rinsed out is when the bottom of your tub is no longer brown. So when the bottom of your tub is no longer brown, that just shows that you rinsed everything out if you don't have a mirror in your shower. So you can use this 3 times, this cacao Rhassoul clay mask. You know, my sister used this as well. Cindy from the other videos, you know her. So you use this 3 times, guys. So I'm gonna rinse my hair and you're gonna see the results of it, okay? Stay tuned. Rinse time. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse this mask out and you'll see how it looks. So this is the result when you rinse it out. Very defined, shiny, soft, and it's elongated. So yeah, I'm going to do the twist out using the same butter that I used in the video. It's going to be in the link above, and then you'll see how it looks afterwards. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, this is the end result of the 2 plant-based products that I used, and for the twisting butter, for this 2-strand twist out, I will leave a link above and you can just check that video out to do that recipe. But this is the end result. My hair is bouncy, movable, defined. This is the first day here of the twist out. And as you know, I'm still an ER nurse. I'm still working on the front lines. So, you know, working full-time, but I also part-time, I'm doing this, making recipes, doing these hair tutorials for you and for anyone out there who want to use natural ingredients on their hair and see real results, especially for the 4C girls. So leave your comments down below and let me know what you want to do next, and I will also just stay tuned for more plant-based products.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.